guys, it's Mary here, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how I edited those fire transition reels for Instagram.
I like to play with fire.
Before we continue, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please endeavor to do that right now. Click on the red subscribe button and subscribe. So for this fire transition reel, the first thing I did was to shoot my two short videos. The first video was where I had no makeup on, and the second one was where I had my makeup on. Now for the editing of this reel, I used CapCut. CapCut is totally free to use, so if you don't have CapCut, go now to Play Store or App Store and download the CapCut app. So now let's go ahead to edit the video. I've already downloaded CapCut before, so I'll just go click on CapCut, then click on new project. Now I'll import my makeup video, like my first video where I had no makeup on. That's the first one to import. Now let me allow it to play for a while.
I like to play with fire.
Now, did you see the CapCut ending? I don't want that because a default ending that comes with every CapCut video. So what you do is click on delete. Now let's play it again.
I like to play with fire.
The CapCut ending is no longer there. Now the next thing we are going to do is to mute this audio, because we are going to be adding our audio, so we don't want the background noise to interrupt with the audio we are going to be adding. So we are going to mute clip. Mute clip is just before cover by your left, so I'll click on mute clip so that the video sound will be off. So this video is just the way I want it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to import the second video, which is the after makeup video. So I'm going to click on the plus sign and then import the after makeup video. So here's the after makeup video. Then I'll click on add. So now we need to add the fire transition. To do that, I'm going to go in between the first and the second video. Then I'll look for effects. This is effects. Effects is right in between overlay and filters. Did you see effects? Now click on effects. Now click on video effects. When you click on video effects, you see all the options: trending, basic, blink. Click on party. When you click on party, you're going to see the fire effect. The fire effect is right there, named shockwave. That's the fire effect right there, named shockwave. So if you don't see the fire effect, then you need to go and update your app. Go to your Play Store or App Store and update your app. So right there, if you want to adjust the speed of the effect, you can just click on adjust. Look at adjust here, just before replace effect. Click on adjust. If you want to increase the speed or reduce the speed of the effect, you can do that, but let's just leave it at this point. So now the next thing to do is to add audio. Of course, if you're posting to reels, you can always add audio when you post to reels, but I want to add audio right in CapCut. So in order to add the audio, I'm going to click on audio and then click on extracted. I want to extract it from an audio.
I like to play with fire.
And the audio is added. Now let's play it.
I like to play with fire.
So the music is still playing when the video has stopped. So I'm going to drag the audio, select the audio, then drag it to fit the video. So now we are done with our editing. We'll just click on the arrow sign at the top, just tap on it, and then your video is going to export. Leave it to export and your video is ready. In summary, the first thing I did was to shoot my first 2 short videos. The first one was where I had no makeup on, and the second one was where I had my makeup on. Then I went ahead to edit it by opening CapCut, importing my first video. Then I muted the clip, removed the excesses by splitting and deleting what I don't want. Then I imported the second video. Now in between the second video, I added the effects, the party effect, shockwave fire effect. Then after that, I added audio by clicking on extract, and I extracted it from our music from our video, and that was all. Alright guys, so that's all on how to edit the fire transition reel. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Did you enjoy the video? Did you get value? If you did, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.